Hello students, welcome back to business statistics class. So in previous class we had studied normal distribution problem. So the question was, x is a normal variate with mean 42 and standard deviation 4. Find the probability that a value taken by x is less than 50, greater than 50, less than 40, greater than 40, between 43 and 46, between 40 and 44, and between 37 and 41. So we had solved first 4 sub questions. Now today we will solve the remaining 3 sub questions. So the fifth sub question was to find x lies between 43 and 46. So we have to find a probability such that 43 is less than x less than 46. The same procedure is followed, that is, we will convert it into standard normal variate. So what we will do, for each term subtract with the mean, divide with the standard deviation. So it will be 43 minus 42 by 4 is less than, this is x minus 42 divided by 4, and this is 46 minus 42 by 4. So now this turns out to be 0.25 is less than, so this whole term is nothing but z, and this is less than 1. So we got probability of z which lies between 0.25 and 1. Once you get this, the next step is to draw the curve. So in x axis mark the region 0.25, so it is a positive value. 0.25 will be somewhere here and 1 is here. So you want to find out area between this whole region. So what you will do, so from the table we can calculate area of 0 to 1, but we don't know this particular region. So what to do, again we can find out area from 0 to 0.25. So if you subtract this area from this much area, then we will get the remaining area required. So we will see how it is written. So now we want area from 0.25 to 1, that is area from 0 to 1 minus area from 0 to 0.25. So go to the table. First we want to find area from 0 to 1. So take z as 1, which is over here, which is 0.3413, and next we want area from 0.25. So area from 0 to 1 is 0.3413. Now we will see area from 0.25, that is 0.2 under 5, which is 0.0987. So that is written. So don't get confused between 2.5, it is 0.25. So under 0.2, and then you have to check under 5. So we got the values. So when you subtract, it will be 0.2426. So this is the probability that x lies between 43 and 46. So the next sub question is probability of, we have to find out x lies between 40 and 44. So the same steps, subtract with the mean and divide with the standard deviation for all the 3 terms. So we will get it as probability of minus 0.5 less than z less than 0.5. So here whatever symbols are there, you have to take the same symbols. So now we want to find out z lies between minus 0.5 to plus 0.5. So we will draw a graph. So here the region is from minus 0.5, which is over here, to plus 0.5. So we want this whole shaded region. For this, what we can do, we know area from 0 to 0.5. So this area is found out from the table. And now the negative side is nothing but, again you have to find out area from 0 to 0.5. Because it is symmetric distribution, area from 0 to minus 0.5 is nothing but area from 0 to 0.5. Suppose it was area from, you wanted the range from minus 1 to say 0.5, then what you would have done, from the table first we would have found out area from 0 to 0.5, this area. So we would have got this area from the table. To get this area, that is 0 to minus 1, what we would have done, we would have checked 0 to plus 1. So we will got the area. So we will see how it is written. So it is area from minus 0.5 to 0.5. That is, we have to find out area from minus 0.5 to 0 plus area from 0 to 0.5. So this is minus, so it is again written as area from 0 to 0.5 plus area from 0 to 0.5. So go to the table. So check for Z under 0.5. So it is somewhere here. Okay, it is here. So it is 0.1915. So substitute this value. So it is 0.1915 plus 0.1915. So you will get the probability as 0.3830. So the last sub question is to find probability of x lies between 37 and 41. Same step, subtract it with mean and divide by standard deviation. So we will get it as probability of minus 1.25 less than z less than minus 0.25. So draw the graph. So you want, so minus 1.25 is over here and minus 2.25. So this whole region you want to find out the probability. So this is written as area from minus 1.25 to minus 0.25, which is nothing but, if you draw on this side, because it is symmetric, that is mark for 0.25 will be somewhere here, then this will be 1.25. So this region, same like this problem. So it will be area from 0.25 to 1.25. So then we have to take area from 0 to 1.25 minus area from 0 to 0.25. So first we will find this area from 0 to 1.25. From that we will subtract this area, that is from 0 to 0.25. So go to the table, we will check the value of 1.25. So it is 1.2 is here, and we have to check under 5. So it is 0.3994. So it is 0.3994 minus area from 0 to 2.5 we have already checked, it is 0.0987. So you will get the probability as 0.2957. So if it is in negative symbol or in the left hand side, we will convert it into positive side and we will find the area. So suppose you want to find out this region, say it is from minus 3 to minus 2, then the same region is found out by taking it to the right hand side. So it will be area from 2 to 3. So what you will do, first you will find area from 0 to 3. In that you will subtract area from 0 to 2. You will get the answer of area between minus 3 to minus 2. So in the next class we will solve general problems of normal distribution. Thank you.